Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled pizza 2 ways, and I'm using my Ninja Foodi grill. Man, when I tell you this pizza was delicious and so easy. Okay, so first I started off by preheating using the air crisp setting and heating the grill to 425 degrees. And I'm going to be air crisping this 1-pound package of Italian sausage. So once the Foodi was preheated, I went ahead and put in the Italian sausage and broke it up a bit with a wooden spatula. So while the sausage was cooking, I went ahead and started prepping my toppings. Now, of course, you can top your pizza any way that you like. Here I've got some onion, bell pepper, and mushroom. I obviously didn't use the whole onion and the whole bell pepper, but I just saved it for another dish. So I'm just dicing up my veggies. And then after about 5 minutes of the sausage cooking, I went to check it and I was so surprised because it was basically almost done. And I was like, oh, let me hurry up. So I broke the sausage up some more and I went ahead and tossed in the onions and the bell peppers because I wanted them to cook a little bit with the sausage. And then once I got that in there, I went back to the mushrooms and I hurried up and got those chopped up. And then I threw the mushrooms in with the sausage, and I want to say the sausage was completely cooked in about 7 minutes. I ended up using my potato masher to go ahead and break up the sausage a little bit more. Oh wait, but first I seasoned it with some Flavor God pizza flavored seasoning. Then I broke up the sausage and then I transferred that to a bowl. And then it was time to switch to the grill function, and I preheated the grill to medium, which is 450 degrees. Next, I sliced some chicken sausage that I had left over from breakfast, and then it was time to build my pizza. Now I'm just using a store-bought crust. I found this big pack of crust from Costco, but it's at any store. So I sprayed the crust with some olive oil, and the crust does come with pizza sauce. So I did spread the sauce over the top, and then I added some shredded cheese. I'm just using a pizza blend. I've got some pepperoni, followed by that delicious sausage that I made. Oh my gosh, it was so good and smelled so good. The chicken sausage, a little more cheese, and now let's grill it up. It already looks good and it's not even cooked yet. Okay, so gently place the pizza in your grill. Be careful because it is definitely hot in there. And the Foodi cooked this pizza so fast. I mean, it was done in like 3 to 4 minutes. And here's what the pizza looked like while it was cooking. Now, you can't tell me this doesn't look bomb. You can't, because this pizza looks amazing. So this is what it looked like when it was all done cooking. And this is a medium crispy crust. You see there's like a little bend. So now I'm going to show you how to make a crispy crust. So you spray both sides of the crust with olive oil, and then you cook the crust bottom side up for 2 minutes. That's all you need, just 2 minutes. And then you flip it over, and then you add your toppings. So I basically topped it the same way, except for this time around, I did add in some extra mushrooms because I really like mushrooms. My family's not big on mushrooms, so that's why I chopped them up real small and threw them in with the sausage at first. But give me all the mushrooms. So I got the sauce, the cheese, the sausage, pepperoni, the mushrooms, chicken sausage, some more cheese. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and it came out perfectly crispy. Now, the first crust was delicious, and this crust is delicious. It just depends on your preference. Do you like a little softer crust, a little crunchier crust? But you can see how this crust is just straight across. Oh my gosh, look at it. Man, does this look good or what? Yes, it does. You know it does. And it tasted amazing. And it's fun for the family because everybody in my family made their own pizza and had a ball. So what did you think of this recipe? Well, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and help out my channel. And if you're here and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time that I upload. And hey, as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.